Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling the generative tools inside Photoshop so you can use them immediately. First, make sure your app is the correct build, sign into your Adobe account, and enable any beta or labs features. Once done, open Preferences and navigate to Technology Previews. Turn on Generative Fill or the similarly named toggle. You're preparing the workspace and granting permission for cloud features. This avoids errors later and ensures the menu items appear where they belong. Now you'll access the tools and run a real edit. Select your subject or the empty area with lasso, marquee, or object selection. Make clean edges for better results. Then go to Edit and pick Generative Fill or the equivalent menu command. Type a concise prompt describing what you want and set sampling, size, and variation options. Once you generate, review variations, commit the best result, and use layer masks to blend or preserve original pixels. This gives control and non-destructive flexibility. Finish by refining and exporting a clean image. You'll use Select and Mask to perfect edges and Paint on Masks to blend synthetic pixels with the original. For small artifacts, apply Content-Aware Fill, Clone Stamp, or relevant neural filters. Make subtle adjustments to color and grain to match. If the tool returns blank or odd results, rephrase your prompt, tighten the selection, or reset preferences and relaunch Photoshop. This troubleshooting step solves most issues and gets your generative edit production ready.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.